Welcome to our presentation on AI and developers, Dilemma or World of Opportunities. Today, we'll explore AI's impact on software development careers. Here's our agenda. We'll discuss how AI is transforming software development, the challenges and concerns for developers, new opportunities created by AI, and how developers can thrive in an AI-driven era. Let's begin with how AI is transforming software development. AI is reshaping the landscape, offering new tools and methodologies. AI tools automate code generation, reducing manual effort. Automated testing speeds up validation, while AI-driven bug detection enhances software quality. AI integration shifts traditional workflows. Human-AI collaboration enhances productivity, while developers must rethink processes to incorporate AI tools effectively. Developers have mixed reactions to AI, from excitement to apprehension. Many are actively adapting by learning new skills to stay relevant. Now let's address the challenges and concerns for developers. AI presents both opportunities and obstacles in the evolving tech landscape. Automation impacts jobs by replacing repetitive tasks, leading to shifts in traditional roles. However, new roles focusing on AI oversight and ethics are emerging. Continuous learning is crucial. Developers must embrace lifelong learning and acquire AI skills to remain competitive in the tech industry. Ethical dilemmas in AI include bias, transparency, and accountability. Developers must address these to ensure equitable and trustworthy AI systems. Let's explore new opportunities created by AI. AI opens doors to innovative roles and enhances productivity and code quality. AI automates repetitive tasks, improving code accuracy and allowing developers to focus on creative problem-solving and innovative solutions. Emerging roles include data science, AI model training, and prompt engineering. These fields require specialized skills and offer exciting career paths. Standing out in the evolving job market requires embracing AI technologies, continuous learning, and developing complementary skills for adaptability. Finally, we'll discuss how developers can thrive in an AI-driven era. Embracing AI as a partner can enhance productivity and foster creativity. Adopting a collaborative mindset with AI involves seeing it as a partner, enhancing productivity, and fostering creativity in problem solving. Human creativity is vital. It complements AI in solving complex problems, enhancing AI capabilities through critical thinking and innovation. Staying curious and adapting to change is essential. Curiosity drives exploration of new AI technologies, while flexibility in skills supports evolving roles. In conclusion, AI presents both challenges and opportunities. Continuous learning and collaboration with AI are key to converting challenges into innovations.